Eve Cam not only keeps a watchful eye over everything you want, but when combined with an automation, the accessory takes ease of use and security to the next level. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on a light or sound an alarm if motion is detected. Open the Eve app and tap Rooms, followed by the room where Eve Cam is located. Besides the status overview and motion detection history, you'll find Automation in the bottom section. Tap this, followed by Add Rule. Choose Motion as a trigger and set the slider to Motion. Tap Add, followed by Next to go to the next step. Select Add Time Condition, set the time to before 6 a.m., then tap Add. Go to Add Time Condition again, but now set the time to after 11 p.m. Once again, tap Add, followed by Next. As you won't yet have a scene for this scenario, select Add Scene, followed by Add Actions, then go to the relevant room. You could turn on Eve light strip in your living room, for instance. Set the brightness level and select Add. Now tap Next and give your scene a unique name, Nightlight, and choose an appropriate icon. Tap Done to add your scene. Tap Next and give your rule a unique name, Motion Detection. Now tap Done and your automation will be added. With the rule you've just added, your Eve light strip will now turn on anytime motion is detected in your living room at night. Thanks to the infrared sensor in Eve Cam, motion detection will also work independently of your recording and streaming options. Tap Back and then Done to return to the accessory overview screen. You can further refine this automation to have your HomePod play music or sound an alarm if nobody is at home. To set this up, an Apple Music subscription is required. Open the Home app, as only this will allow a configuration to play music on your HomePod via Apple Music. Select the scene you just added, Nightlight, and under When, configure the option so that the automation only triggers when nobody is home. Tap Back, followed by Select Accessories and Scenes. Select your HomePod in the room where it is located and then tap Done to confirm. Now swipe down to Media and select Play Audio. By tapping Choose Audio, you can search for your preferred music track or sound effect either from Apple Music or your library. We've gone for the sound of the dog barking. To ensure the volume is set to an appropriate level, adjust it under Set Custom Volume. Save this by tapping Back, followed by Done.